guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today I am doing a red smoky eye. So I wanted to do this because I have found it hard to really find good smoky eyes that go good with my eyes. Just because like most smoky eyes are like black or brown, and it kind of just makes my eyes disappear. I wanted to make them pop a little bit more, so I wanted to try some red / orange toned colors, and I ended up really loving it, so I wanted to show you guys how I did it. This does complement brown eyes, but it is also complementary to all kinds of different colored eyes. This would be beautiful on blue eyes, green eyes, but yeah, I created it specifically to make my eyes pop just a little bit more and not blend into my eyeshadow. So if you want to see how I got this look, just keep watching. Alright guys, to start off, I'm going to be taking MAC's Painterly Paint Pot and putting it all over my eyelids as a primer. I'm going to grab my Too Faced Sweet Peach palette, and the first shade I'm going to use is Nectar. It's like a tan, but it has yellow undertones, which is what I'm looking for to really help blend out this red smoky eye. So I'm going to take a fluffy blending brush. I'm going to put that all throughout my crease, and as the product comes off my brush, I'm going to move it up towards my eyebrow just to make sure there are no harsh lines. Next, I'm going to take the color Summer Yum, and it's a really pretty brownish red, and it's like right in between brown and red. I love it. And I'm going to use a flat shader brush. This is the brush that came in the Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to put that all over my lid. And I'm going to stop at first at the crease, which is what you can do, and then after I get that good line, I'm going to go up a little bit further just above my crease. Because I have small eyes, I need to do this in order to really see the shadow. Next, I'm going to take this bright red color, and this is from the Ulta Beauty makeup kit, and I'm going to take a fluffy brush, not as fluffy as my blending brush, but still fluffy, and I'm going to put that right where that line is, where it goes from that dark red to my regular skin tone color, and I'm going to be putting that right where that line is and blending that out. Naturally, as you blend colors out, the color fades, and so I'm going to repeat those two steps one more time. Now I'm going to take the shade Puree, and this one is a brown / orange color. It has some orange undertones in it. So I really wanted to have it be kind of like a gradient from that dark reddish brown to the lighter red, and then the orange brown color. And so I'm going to put that right at the very top above that red, and that way you can see that it goes from dark to lightest and there are no harsh lines. I'm going to touch up that bottom color, Summer Yum, one more time. For eyeliner, I'm going to take my Mary Kay liquid eyeliner pen in black. I'm going to start at the outer corner of my eye and work my way up towards the outer corner of my eyebrow, and then I'm going to draw a thick line, just one straight line, towards the middle of my eye. Then all I gotta do is fill that in, and then just connect that middle part towards the inner corner with a thin line. I'm going to grab my Urban Decay Naked 2 palette, and I'm going to take the shade Booty Call, and I'm going to use this as a highlight for under my brow. Alright, time for the face. I'm going to take my L'Oreal True Match foundation in the shade W3, and I'm going to dot that all over my face, and then I'm going to use my damp beauty blender to blend that out. I'm not going to show you this whole process because, come on, it's just putting on foundation, and I'm sure you guys know how to do that by now. I still have a little sample of the Makeup Forever concealer in the shade 3, and I'm just going to conceal some blemishes real quick. For brows, I'm going to take my Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Wiz in taupe and my Milani Easy Brow Pencil in dark brown. I'm going to go ahead and skip my eyebrows because I have a whole tutorial on this, which I will have linked down below. Now I'm going to take my MAC Select Cover Up concealer, and this is in the shade NW15, and I'm going to put that underneath my eye for a highlight and brightener. I start going down the side of my nose and then work my way up towards the temple and then blend that out with a beauty blender. I'm going to set that concealer with the Makeup Forever HD setting powder, and this just makes sure that my concealer doesn't crease. Alright, I'm going to get Summer Yum again, and I'm going to use a flat brush, and I'm going to put that all along my lower lash line. Always make sure to blend out your lower lash line, so I have this smaller brush and I'm going to blend that out really well. For my top lashes, I'm going to use my L'Oreal Voluminous Butterfly Sculpt Mascara in black, and I'm going to put a couple generous coats on my top lashes. Next, I'm going to take this matte bronzer from the Ulta Beauty Makeup Kit, and I'm going to really get a good contour going, and right below my cheekbones I'm going to sculpt that out, and then I'm also going to put a little bit around my forehead. For some reason I didn't show you guys my blush, but I am using the Clinique Blushing Blush Powder Blush in the shade Precious Posy on my cheeks. For highlight, I am using the highlight that comes in the Ulta Beauty Makeup Kit, the Gold Highlight. And I'm just going to put that on the tops of my cheekbones and on my Cupid's bow and down the center of my nose. For lips, I'm going to take this Tarte lip paint in the shade Birthday Suit. I love this color because it's almost the exact shade of my lips, and so it is the perfect nude. Last but not least, I'm going to take my MARC Lash All You Want mascara in black and put a couple coats on my bottom lashes, and then you're all done. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!